Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Umair Mukhtar and in this video we are going to learn about the switch statements of the C++ programming language. First of all, we will introduce ourselves with the concept of switch statements and why do we need to use switch statements in C++ programming language, and after that we will be moving forward to write a code for the switch statement. The switch statement is used to switch between the conditions just like a real life switch that we use to switch between the on and off. But there is a little bit difference between the real life switch and the switch statement of the C++ programming language, and that is that in the real life switch there are only two conditions. A fan can either be on or off, a light can either be on or off, and so on and so forth. But in the C++ programming language, you can have more than two cases, to be exact, infinitely many cases. So now we will move on toward the code part of the video and see how to implement switch statement in C++ programming language.
First of all, you have to write hashtag include iostream using namespace std int main, and after that you have to declare a variable in which you will store the input of the user. So int a. If you don't know how to declare a variable, check out my last video. After that we will write, so after that we will display a message on screen. So cout enter 1 to turn on and 2 to turn off, and L, and take input from the user cin a. So now user can either enter 1 or 2, so we have to switch between these two conditions. So for that we will write switch a, because the one or two will be stored in the a variable, so we will be switching between the values of a, so that's why we write a inside the brackets. So there can be two cases. Case 1, if the user inputs 1, there will be colon here. So we have to cout the switch is turned on. The other case might be that user enters 2. So for 2, case 2, cout the light is turned off, and L, and L. So looks like we have completed our program. So let's run it and check out what it turns out to be. So it is saying enter 1 to turn on and 2 to turn off. So I will enter 1. Wait a minute. It is displaying the switch is turned on and the light is turned off. Why is it doing so? As we have entered case 1, so why is it displaying the case 2 with it? The problem is that we have to add a break after every case, so that if one case is satisfied, it should not go to the next case. So for this we will enter a break here. So break and break. So and now I have to change it to light, light. So now we will run again our program, give the same input, the light is turned on. Now it is not going to the next case because we have the first case is satisfied, so it has break here. But there can be another problem with the switch and case statements, and let's have a demo of it. Let's say the user enters 35 then what will happen? 35. It has done nothing because we have just told it about case 1 and 2 and it was not sure what to do if user enters something else apart from case 1 or 2. To avoid this, we will enter a default statement, and what we will say on default statement is cout. Sorry, sorry, you your command was wrong, wrong, and let's run it again and check. So I am again entering 35 here. Sorry, your command was wrong. So in this way you can execute switch and case statements. Now there can be more than one cases. You can enter infinitely many cases according to the program you are making. But as we discussed a real life switch in the introduction that turns on things or turns off, so I have made a simple program and also that you can understand it easily. So that's all from today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more programming videos like this. Thanks for watching.